Okay, back with another short narration. This is the part 2 of the belt for the red jersey dress. As you can see, I'm trying out my little, what is that thing called? Seam gauge. I wanted to see if I could get my seams to be 1/4 of an inch instead of a 1/2 inch, because it's just a belt. Although a very important component of the dress, I still wanted to see if I can make those 1/4 of an inch. And so I had to make 3 of them, of course, because I made 3 dresses. This is just me making those lovely, beautiful belts. Extra long, so they go around the waist twice. It was a joy making these. I backed the belt with fusible interfacing. I'm not saying using fusible interfacing is a bad thing. I am trying to get away from using it, but I love it. Depending on what you use it for, it makes sewing so much easier because it adds just the slightest amount of bulk. Where if the fabric is real flimsy, that will give it some stability, and the results can be simply stellar. So, yep, this is me making those belts. Yeah, the seam allowance is 1/4 of an inch. And this is the third one. My Shopify account is up. It's live. I need to get that out there in case anyone is interested. I'm going to link my Shopify account to my YouTube account, and I have a link on my Instagram account. I do not have a link on my TikTok. I have the option to do it, but I'm going to wait. I don't know. I think this is a bad move. Questioning myself, but I'm waiting until after September, until after this so-called buyout comes. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, it just seems like what they're talking about is kind of scary. So anyways, yeah, my link is on the Instagram account, and it will be on my YouTube account, and will also be on my LinkedIn account, where you can go to my Shopify account and you can buy one of these dresses if you're so interested in. So we're coming to the end. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you guys in the next video.